These are the greatest World Cup moments ever, and number 1 will give you goosebumps. Moment 5. In the 2014 World Cup semi-final, Germany destroyed Brazil 7-1 in Brazil's own house. The entire stadium was in shock. Moment 4. Zidane's headbutt, 2006. In his final match, Zidane shocked the world with a headbutt in the World Cup final. A legendary career, dramatic ending. Moment 3. Pelé at 17, 1958. Only 17 years old, Pelé scored twice in the final and made Brazil world champions. A superstar was born. Moment 2. Maradona's magic, 1986. Hand of God. And then the goal of the century in the same match. Maradona created football history. Moment 1. Messi wins it 2022. After years of heartbreak, Messi finally lifted the World Cup in the greatest final ever played. Which moment is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more football content.